one of the biggest mistakes that I see designers make when creating patterns in Adobe Illustrator is that they think that they can get a bunch of shapes, put it together, then go on object, pattern, make, and then think that's it. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to truly make seamless patterns, and once you learn this method, you never struggle with patterns again. Hey guys, I'm Yao. I'm a logo and brand designer, and on this channel, I give tips on branding, logo design, creative workflows, all for you to become a better designer. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing we're going to do is jump into Adobe Illustrator and using the rectangle tool here, we're going to create a rectangle by 1200 by 1200 pixels. This number is very important and you want to remember this number because we're going to use it a lot. So once that box is created, we're going to now move in our pattern. So these patterns I've already made. These parts of the patterns I've already made. So if you see here, you want to make sure that they don't go past this line, right? Like you don't want it to be like this. Like I had a lot of issues in the past where it just doesn't make it seamless. So you got to make sure that this stays within the bounding, that this stays and it doesn't pass the left or the right, right? So once you have it here, you want to copy this and press Command-Shift-V, and this places it in the exact same space, all right? You can also go paste in place, that same thing, right? So once we have that, we're going to head over to the properties menu. With that selected, we're going to go to the y-axis and press plus 1200, the same number of how big the rectangle is. And just like that, this will copy it exactly, this will move it exactly down on the y-axis in the same, based on the same distance. This is what actually makes it seamless. Now we're going to also add the left-hand side. So this is the left-hand side again, making sure that this doesn't pass that line, right? Again, we're going to press copy, paste in place, or Command-Shift-V, that pastes in place. Now we're going to go to the x-axis and press plus 1200, boom. And then now we're getting there. So what we're going to do now is fill in the middle, right? I have it already here. Where are you? So I have it here in the middle. Cool. Once you're happy with that, right, we're going to take this the rectangle we've created, we're going to bring it to the front. Once that's there, we're going to select everything and we're going to go to make clip and mask. So once you've created that clip and mask, we're going to open up the swatches panel and we're going to drag that in to the swatches. So now that's there. So once we've added to the swatches panel, we're going to, having that swatch selected, we're going to draw our shape. Now you see that it's not quite working, but don't worry. You're going to go to the swatches menu and double click on that pattern you've just added to the swatches. Double click on that and click on size tile to art. Boom. Just like that. It's now it's become seamless. Right? And this pattern can be used over and over and over again. And that makes it a truly seamless pattern. And it's that simple. So that's how you create a truly seamless pattern in Adobe Illustrator. Hope you guys like that video. Like and comment for more. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.